Okay guys, this is just a clarification lesson on VLOOKUP function. So in the past, whenever we used VLOOKUP function, the value to be looked up to was always in the column A, but this not necessarily be true for always. So this might give you a wrong false assumption, but it's not necessary that the value we look up to will always be in column A. So for example, if I am using VLOOKUP function over here, I will highlight this cell. So suppose random value, and that is over here. In this cell I will apply the VLOOKUP function, and the lookup value will be say this is the value I want to look up to. So over here if I want to look up to this value, comma, and I have to select the table. Now I will select this table as the array that I want to look up to, and it will look up to the first column of the selected range. So this time the first column will be B. So in the previous cases it was always A, but this time it is B. So it's not necessary that we will always look up to column A. Now this time we will look up in the column B, and then I want to get this column G output. So it's 1, this is 1 now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 over here, and false. So here it was 7 Anywhere Road, and its lookup value return should be 8000, and it is 8000. So what we learned over here in this is that everything that this is the first column that we look up to. So first column with respect to what? The selected range, not the entire sheet. Then we want to get the sixth column as the return value. So sixth column with respect to what? Not the entire sheet, but the selected range over here. So everything is relative to this. Okay, that is the lesson you should get from this video.